Hi guys, I welcome you all in our new tutorial video. Today I'll show you how to design such a logo. From this logo you can also learn how to design the monogram logos as well. So let's start. First draw a perfect circle. So like this, and make a copy of it by simply Control C, Control V. Yeah. So right here. Okay. So now again paste another and let it be here. Alright, a bit lower. Okay. So now take the count part of it just by clicking on the intersect mode. Alright, like this. Now you get your basic shape. Now fill it with the Gaussian gradient. So gradient slider, I just placed a parrot color and a white color like this, and put it like this, or you can place it like this. I think this would be better. Like, okay. So now write a text. Okay, select the any font that you want, that you like, you can write it in that way. And I selected the papyrus like this and placed it in here. So this is our logo. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like the video, kindly do subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.